guys, it's Gail. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, hi, welcome. So as you've seen in the title, I'm going to show you my shoe collection. Disclaimer guys, I am not bragging. So let's start on my sneakers. The first pair is my Reebok shoes. I bought it here in Singapore. I love the color of this. This is so comfortable to wear, and I use this especially on my workouts.
Missing your strawberry kiss, 'cause nothing is sweet. The taste still drive me crazy. My strawberry kisses.
The next pair is from Saucony, also bought here in Singapore. You probably saw this on my Blackpink inspired airport outfits video. This has a memory foam, so I love it. Very comfortable to wear. Love to use this for traveling, and I like having one pair of shoes which is in black color.
I'm falling head over toes. Slowly kisses passing by the river. I've been missing your strawberry kiss, 'cause nothing is sweet. The taste still.
My Fila Disruptor 2, which we bought in Korea last spring. Love this especially when I'm wearing shorts or skirts. Very nice OOTD. It's just heavy, so I'm not wearing it a lot on travels. From Taobao. I also wore this last time on my Blackpink inspired airport outfits because at that time it was only the pair of white sneakers I have. Love the rose embroidery on each side. It's a bit tight on me, that's why I bought new pair of white sneakers already. So this pair is my new white sneakers, also from Taobao. This time I bought plain so I can easily pair it even with dresses. Love that I no need to tie its lace and it's comfortable to wear.
I could fly through the wind.
The last one for my sneakers collection is this cute pair of pink shoes, also bought from Taobao. I love the shoelaces because it look like ribbons. Such a cutie.
My strawberry kisses. I could fly through the wind.
Let's move on to my flats and low heels collection. The first pair is my fluffy shoes bought also from Taobao. It is in color gray. I love that the straps look like anklet, but it's painful because of the metal material. But I like it because it's cute.
Slowly kisses passing by the river. I've been missing your strawberry kiss, 'cause nothing is sweet. The taste still drive me crazy.
The next pair is from Charles & Keith, also bought here in Singapore. This is so comfortable to wear because of its low heels, and I can wear it on casual and formal events. The tassels are also so cute and elegant looking. from May, also bought here in Singapore, also wore on my Blackpink inspired airport outfits video. Love these low heels and the color, can wear with pants or dresses.
My strawberry kisses, I could fly through the wind. Boy, gotta cover my legs.
These pink low heel sandals are so cute, also bought from Taobao. I haven't worn this since I bought it because I honestly don't know how to properly tie the laces. But on this video, I think I already figured it out, so maybe I will wear it next time.
Cause nothing as sweet the taste still drive me crazy. My strawberry kisses, I could fly.
These red shoes look so elegant. I wore these once only when we attended a wedding dinner. I'm planning to wear this again on the next wedding that we'll be attending. I love the pearls on its straps. These are also so comfortable to wear because of its low heels.
Falling head over toes, slowly kisses passing by the river. I've been missing your strawberry kiss, cause nothing as sweet the taste still drive me crazy. My strawberry kisses, I could fly through the wind.
These are my new pumps shoes, also bought from Taobao. Love the nude color, also planning to wear these on wedding events.
I'm falling head over toes, slowly kisses passing by the river. I've been missing your strawberry kiss.
Next are my wedge heels. The first pair is from Vinci, which we bought in Malaysia. I wore this also last time when we attended another wedding. I love the transparent straps, making my feet look sexy. It's in light pink color.
I could fly through the wind. Boy, gotta cover my legs. I'm falling head over toes, slowly kisses passing by the river. I've been missing your strawberry kiss, cause nothing as sweet the taste.
So another pair of my wedge heels is this super cute black shoes. It reminds me of my Barbie doll shoes when I was a kid. I also feel like a Barbie doll when I'm wearing this.
I could fly through the wind.
Now on my high heels, the first pair is these white sandals. I saw celebrities wearing this. I got this from Taobao. I love that it's lightweight, so even if it's high heels, I still can wear it comfortably.
Head over toes, slowly kisses passing by the river. I've been missing your strawberry kiss, cause nothing as sweet the taste still drive me crazy. My slowly kisses passing by the river. I've been missing your strawberry kiss, cause nothing as sweet the taste still drive me crazy.
The next pair is my Charles & Keith shoes bought here in Singapore. I love this because I wore this on our Malaysia wedding. It's so comfortable to wear. I love everything about it. And until now, I'm still using it on formal events.
Boy, gotta cover my legs.
Lastly, my boots. I only have one pair of boots. I bought this in a thrift store in the Philippines. Love the color of it and also very comfortable to wear because of its thick heels.
You're a strawberry kiss, 'cause nothing as sweet the taste still drive me crazy.
Hey.
My strawberry